Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Bronco Sport Outer Banks. Coming in this nice velocity blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Outer Banks tech package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, you got a backup camera, we also do get a lift glass as well, which allows you to have easier access to your cargo, or you can just leave it open for extra air. Whatever you prefer. We do get roof rails as well, side view cameras, blind spot detection, and moving to the front here, we have front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Bronco grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see we do get plenty of cargo space. You got little storage cubbies on each side, hooks and doodads, 12 volts, lights, all that jazz. You do get a light on your lift gate as well, which you can barely see, but you just press there. You can collapse a row if you need additional storage, and you can lift this up for additional storage underneath as well. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather and brown cloth and brown leathering interior, plenty of door space, the leathering on the door. Carpeted interiors, you do get additional cup holders and arm space. Rear vents with 2 USB-Cs, and you do get your additional storage in the back seats and storage on the side seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather and cloth interior we saw in the back there, but we do get the additional Bronco logo. Plenty of door space, memory seating for 3 drivers, liftgate, and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 16.1 kilometers. We do get a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. You have your toggle-free screen, voice, phone, and media, the Bronco logo, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking here, we got tire pressure monitors, we have My View, digital speedometer, your gauges on that side. You have My View, trip and feel, Bronco info, navigation, phone audio, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, go modes, cup holders, wireless charging pad, USB, USB-C, and a 12 volt. That nice brown leather wrap center console with tons of storage. You even get a 12 volt down there. You have your engine start, auto stop, auto start, max temp, hazards, traction, park assist, and clicking here, you do get your 360 view of your vehicle, volume, and all that fun stuff. You got a new 13.2-inch touchscreen in this model, storage above, and a B&O Sound System. We got storage right here, and a garage door transmitter. Looking here, we do get navigation, your audio, your phone, settings, features, and apps. Here's what your navigation looks like. And you do get little widgets on the side as well, which you can go through. Here's your audio. You do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, and if it wanted to load, we do have Sirius XM capabilities. We got our settings right here as well. Here we go. And it just looks like that. You can really customize this vehicle however you please. And you got your features as well, such as your towing capabilities. And any apps you may download show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RE41038, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.